Hey guys, Sean Niemiec here with HVAC SEO Nerds, and if I just wanted to do a shout out and throw some other free helpful advice out to our community and our group for our members. If you've ever been on the phone with me doing a one-on-one with some coaching, you know that I've been saying and advocating that COVID-19 is not necessarily going to pass over when they reopen the economy. It's still going to be on people's minds. These things are not going to go away. Hand sanitizer is still going to be hard to get. And people are going to be skittish, I believe, for years about who's coming into their home and what they might be bringing in because they're worried about wave 2, wave 3, whatever. This is bad news, but it's also good news because with this, there's some equalizer tactics that we can do. I'm about to show you what some of the big dogs that are dominating, that have, hundreds, if not over 1,000 reviews, and how they're responding to this. And then there's other guys that are not. Okay. And this is about how can you instill confidence in people if they stumble on your website. How do you let them know that you're the right guy? Because everybody's saying the same stuff about the services and the products and the warranties and all that. You want them to trust you, right? So this is what we do. Okay, this is our website. And just a little side note. If you're interested in working with us, we love to help the people in our group as much as possible. Lots of free information. But if you want to become one of our paid members, what we do is we drive traffic to your site. We give you a highly optimized site with actual psychological sales design integrated into it, and it's always upgrading. We have an amazing lead delivery mechanism, which makes sure you'll never lose a call and leads don't fall through the cracks, and we help you convert it, and we basically help you blow up your business. We want to give you the resources of what the big guys have. But because we're getting a group together and we're exclusively working for HVAC, we can actually wash, rinse, and repeat and get everybody the same results because we've got a collective going, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's start off with the biggest guy. Okay, let's go with this guy right here. This guy is a competitor for one of our clients here. Let me click on his website. Over 1,400 reviews on the Google Maps, okay? Now, here they are. Is this their homepage? Doesn't look like it. Okay, well, let me show you what we got here. We got this. I'm going to pause this because I think I'm going to cough. And that was a cough, but it was not a dry cough. I feel great. I don't have a fever. Just saying. Okay, so COVID-19, letter to our customers. Click here to read, okay? This is what a big player very responsibly do. You want to know that if these guys are going to come into your house, they have the mindset they are going to be controlled. They're going to be compliant with the guidelines from the government and all of that. I think this picture here scares the hell out of me. I would not use that one, but maybe that's the point. Okay, next guy. These guys have over 800 reviews. Okay, they are a big dog. Let's take a look at that. Let's also watch how fast their sites load, because that's another thing we're going to get into in the next tip, which I'm not going to include on this call. But have you noticed when you're watching Netflix, it's always buffering. It's slowing down. The whole website, all the internet's slowing down. You don't want people waiting for your website to load. So we'll get to that in another call. But anyway, here's their response. You almost don't see it. It's very subtle. I don't know if they did that on purpose. This is also kind of cute how... I guess I have to bring this into the thing here. If you hover over the tab, it'll give you a little warning here as well. Okay, I think that's a nice touch. I'm not even going to click on what their response is, but they are taking action because they're a big deal. Okay, now here is another one. Okay, these people are Springfield, Missouri. They do not have. They got like 400 or 500 reviews, so they're a big player, right? They don't have. In fact, they have the most reviews of anybody in the maps listing for the query I did. And so what? They're not interested in your concerns about the virus. Now, what if you were this guy, HVAC Central Plumbing, and you only had 6 reviews compared to this guy's 200, all right? Let's go ahead and look at his website right now, because I think you know where I'm going with this. Okay, pretty basic website. He's got the vendors help on it. Okay, very basic website. But who cares? What if you came to this website and you said, we care about your security, your well-being, your health, and these are what we're supposed to do. These are the precautions, the escalated safety precautions that we're doing when we enter your house. If you had a message like that and the other guy that had 200 reviews did not, you stand a much better chance at this point when they're on edge about, they're like, great, our air conditioner isn't working, but I don't want somebody coming in my house. Who knows what they're going to bring in. This is what people are thinking about. So I'm offering this for free. Go to our website. If you're seeing this on YouTube, I will put the link in the notes below. If this is an email, it'll be included in the body of the email. Go to our blog, and this is one of 3 things that we're offering to our group. This is, free stuff that we're trying to help people, just because it doesn't take a lot and it could pay off huge. I mean, what if you just got 1 or 2 customers because you had the winning edge, because you had the heart and the concern, your client's best interest at heart? COVID-19 upgraded safety procedures. I'm giving you permission as part of our group. I would prefer that you're a member of our Facebook group before you do this, but if you do it, you're doing the right thing. Here is a graphic that we've come up with. We can edit this for you, depending on how busy we are. If you want to just rip it off, you would just, save image, right-click, save image as, and put this on your website. We care about your health. By the time you see this, it'll probably be updated because I have a new version of it that says click here for more info at the bottom. But it says escalated safety procedures, okay? They get it already just with the guy watching the mask. Now, here's the letter that you can customize. Put the name of your company here and down here, all right? And this is a letter from you. And I would just hope that, basically what this thing says, you can agree to and say that that's how you're responding to this so that you're not lying, all right? But go ahead and pull that off. Put it on your website. If you need help, send me a message. I have a guy that can do it in 5 minutes, literally. And my email address, again, will be in the notes for the YouTube video, and it will also be in the email, but it's Sean, S-E-A-N, at HVACseoNerds.com, and we'd be happy to help you. And if you want to talk to us about other things we can do for you, we can also talk about that. But hang in there, stay safe, stay healthy, and let's keep your customers healthy as well. Thanks, guys.